Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like ALCATEL ads or like things from your ALCATEL 1T10 Smart. So to start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and Antivirus app. So we're gonna start from the first method, go to the settings. Now choose the apps and notifications and tap on the app info. Oh, sorry about the misclick. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself before, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just click on the app like that and click on install. Tap on the OK, and in the second step, go to the app info again. Now look for your web browser. Then go to the storage and cache and tap on the clear storage. Tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that, your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download Antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best Antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast. In this application, tap on Start Scan and allow app permissions. To do it, click Allow. And after the scanning process, all of the unnoticed softwares should be deleted from your tablet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.